ships.
This is warships, guys. And look na another one. This is Britannic, guys. From Onyu. This is the RMS Olympic scrapping. Because I don't know, he scrapped. He's the sisters of the Britannic and Titanic. This is the HMHS Britannic. The Titanic sisters. Let me draw the Titanic, guys. Minute. Tada! Let me draw the Empress of Ireland.
Saan pagkain mo?
Okay, done. Bye, guys!